Cracked windshield? Don't panic. Here's what you need to know about keeping your car's tech in check. After replacing your windshield, it's crucial to recalibrate your Advanced Driver Assistance System, or ADAS. Why? Because those sensors and cameras keep your vehicle safely on the road, apply brakes, monitor signs, and so many other things. Most people don't know that this tech is actually mounted to the windshield, so recalibration is crucial after a windshield replacement. At Glass Masters of Minnesota, we make this easy by offering on-site ADAS recalibration. No need to visit multiple places, we handle it all right here. Our friendly team ensures your vehicle's safety features are working perfectly after a windshield replacement. And guess what? It's super convenient. You don't even need to leave your driveway. We come to you. So, if you're in Minnesota and need auto glass repair or replacement, give Glass Masters a call at 952-491-0505. We're a family-owned business dedicated to keeping you safe on the road. Found this info helpful? Want more tips on auto glass care? Smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more from Glass Masters. Thanks for watching.